a half-century of ownership. The Aston Martin DB5, restored to glory, a recent restoration by Aston Martin Works, has unveiled a beautifully renewed DB5 Vantage. But the car's true story lies not in its immaculate condition, but in the dedication of its owner, who acquired it at just 19 years old. This is a rare example of long-term passion for a vehicle that transcends mere financial investment. A teenager's bold purchase in 1973, John Williams, a welder from Wales, defied the odds by purchasing his dream car. A 1965 Aston Martin DB5 Vantage for £900. This was no easy feat for a young man in an era where such vehicles were inaccessible to most, especially those without generational wealth. The significance of this purchase cannot be overstated. The DB5 was not a symbol of status for everyday people back then. It was a genuine achievement born from relentless saving and hard work. Today, the same car would easily fetch over £100,000, highlighting how dramatically car prices have inflated. A rare Vantage model, the DB5 Williams bought was a high-performance Vantage model, equipped with triple Weber carbs and 325 HP, making it a desirable variant. Only 39 of the 1,022 DB5s produced between 1963 and 1965 were right-hand drive coupes built to Vantage specification, and just a handful were finished in the iconic silver birch color. This rarity underscores why the car's story is special. It wasn't just an Aston Martin. It was a specific, limited production version owned by someone who genuinely wanted it, not just collected it. Years of perseverance after purchasing the car, Williams drove it as a daily driver for several years before taking a job in the Middle East in 1977, leaving the DB5 exposed to the elements. His wife, Sue, recounts how neighborhood children treated the car roughly, even breaking off its exhaust pipe. Despite numerous offers to buy it, she insisted he would never replace it, and he held on to it through life's ups and downs. This persistence is key. The car wasn't stored away, it was part of a family's life, enduring wear and tear but never forgot. This real-world usage adds a layer of authenticity that many pristine collector cars lack. A £1 million restoration after half a century, the couple returned the dilapidated classic to Newport Pagnell for a full restoration. The project took over 2,500 hours of labor, including panel beating, paintwork, trimming, and sourcing parts. The result is a DB5 that is arguably better than new. Aston Martin has not disclosed the restoration cost, but given the car's potential value of around £1 million, Williams' initial £900 investment has paid off handsomely. This isn't just about financial gain. It's about the preservation of a dream and the rewards of long-term dedication. The DB5 story is a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and a lucky purchase. It's a reminder that some cars aren't just investments, they're symbols of a life well lived.